$30 per photo you take. If you like taking photos on your smartphone, or you think some extra money in your pocket could motivate you to start liking it, then you need to apply to today's available job ASAP. With only one position available, this photo app tester and reviewer job is going to get snapped up super fast. Here's how you can apply. Pocket $30 per photo you take when you test and review photo apps on your smartphone or tablet. It doesn't matter if you're the champion of selfies, or you only snap photos at special family occasions, if you know how to take a photo on your smartphone or tablet, you can bank an extra wage doing so. Countless companies developing photo-taking and editing apps for Android and iOS are looking to reward remote workers to test their apps, and if you secure this job position, we're ready to put you in direct contact with them. $30 per hour can work out at $30 per photo when you follow our training. Click the link below to apply now. You need a smartphone or tablet with a photo function, that's a must. And an internet connection to communicate with your new clients and upload your feedback. You'll also need at least 7 hours per week, the minimum hours per week for this job. You don't need to be a photo enthusiast, snapping photos of anything that moves. You simply need to know how to take a photo on your smartphone or tablet and make some notes on your experience testing these photo apps. We'll provide you with full training on how to write your notes up into a review for your clients. Now, don't bother taking a photo of this job ad, because it'll be gone in a flash. Instead, click below and apply before someone else beats you to it.